What's going on, guys? I didn't talk much while we was working on the old 300, the old money pit. That way we could get that sucker done. I just put y'all on a time lapse and let the fella work. We got it done, and when you buy a motor from Greg Jr., you got to do like a heat cycle type deal. We gotta let it run for until it gets up to running temperature, then cut it off and let it get cold, and do that 2 or 3 times. 3 is recommended, but more the better. I did it 3 times, and then I rode it up and down the road, shifted through all the gears, shifted down through the gears, and now I'm fixing to go home and shift through all the gears, all the way up and then all the way down 5 or 6 times, and then it'll be good after that. Be able to rip and roar. You can, well, technically you'll be able to rip and roar. You can do whatever you want, but I'm gonna give it probably about a full tank of gas, you know, going kind of easy on it. If y'all know me on this YouTube channel, I don't go easy on anything. So we'll see how that goes. We're fixing to pull up at the gas station and put some 93 in it. I'm gonna solely run 93 in it. Help it run better. The starter is bad. The night that it tore up, I kept trying to turn it over. So I burnt the starter up, so I'm gonna have to buy a new starter. And it's got a lot of compressor, so it's hard to kick over, but that's all right. We'll have to deal with it for now. But yeah, we got Money Pit back here, baby. Here comes in the videos. Y'all stick around, and fixing to start posting videos once a week again, just like we was before. We ain't gonna skip a beat. This video is gonna be you know, putting it back together and everything of the heat cycle, because you only got to do that 3 at a minimum. You do that 3 times. Let it run for 5-10 minutes, shut it off, let it cool completely down, and then that'll take probably 20 minutes in itself. And then you do it again, let it run for 10-15 minutes, and shut it off, let it completely cool all the way down. And then you do it again for 15 or 20 minutes, and then let it cool completely back down, and then you can continue doing it, or you don't have to. I'm just gonna baby mine, and drive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back down 4 or 5 times probably, and then that'll be it. Then you can start bogging it or whatever you want to do whenever you buy this top end. I got a stock overbore top end. I'm not sure if I said that already. I've been filming this video all day long. It took us a long time to do this. Not because it's hard, it's super simple to do, but the fella that does the work, he had another fella there, and we was kind of running around and stuff, kept getting distracted and whatnot. But it's a super simple job. Don't forget to check out Greg Jr. You can message him on Facebook at Greg Jr. and get whatever you need for your Honda 300. He's got it all. What's going on, guys? We're gonna be putting this top end, this Greg Jr. top end in the 300. This is a stock overbore. I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse while we get this thing put in. brand new valves. What's going on? I don't know what video I'm gonna throw this in or what this gonna look like. I ain't got no kind of rest or nothing, but it's a cold start. Let's see how many kicks it takes me. This thing's got a lot of compression, so it's hard for me to kick it over. Maybe it won't take but one. Kick. Damn, this thing runs better now than it ever has. It's just cold, so you don't want to run. Let her warm up a little bit and I'll take her down the road, let her get up to temperature. Try to do that every day until I run out of gas, and then I'll start fogging it.